To handcraft over 900 hours a vehicle of this level of quality and scale, you need people, you need process, and you need parts. But it's the passion that gives you the 10x multiplier. That's our unfair advantage. This is John. John is our VP of Operations. He didn't just change the culture, he changed everything. Asif's early reaction to bringing John in to run operations was met with skepticism because he didn't have that long automotive deep experience.
We were like, oh goodness, like this guy's got no experience. He's got no automotive experience.
Asif is my coach and mentor and friend. I've always looked up to him in business, and he's an amazing problem solver. And I didn't want to have to come to him and tell him I couldn't do it, but I needed his help. And I think I needed someone from the outside coming in with a different perspective and fresh set of eyes to be able to bring me back down to the reality that this is a game.
When I joined Vintage, I came into a very small team and a lack of processes across the board. The initial goals was getting the right people on the team and the wrong people off the team.
Every part of the entire process is documented into steps, standard operating procedures. We're looking for perfect quality and we're looking for on time. If you hire great people, they want to do a great job. But if you don't spell out exactly what good looks like, then everyone has a different definition.
I mean, if you skip this part, nobody would even notice that.
No, nobody would ever look in these areas. That's kind of why I do it.
There's a question I always ask myself, and it's how can I make it better? And as a detailer, you ask yourself every single day because, yeah, some people will say, yeah, the car looks really good. But in my eyes, it could be better.
You have to have a steady hand. There's a lot of leather trimming involved. There's paint involved. There's the fitment of leather and paint components together that don't normally fit together.
Our goal is to give everything perfect and on time to the customers. We want to make sure we can commit to when they're expecting to have it, and we want to make sure it's in 100% quality.
We've been able to build an army of 160 people that are unanimously fighting and rowing in the same direction and solving the problems and ultimately building the world's most desirable vintage car brand.